Do you want to make money on YouTube using a simple, weird niche? Well, just watch this video. Today, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know to start making a ton of money on YouTube in this video. We're gonna go over an incredibly cool niche that I bet you guys have never even thought of. And I'm gonna be going over that niche and show you some example channels and then exactly how you can make money creating videos in this niche on YouTube. If that sounds good to you, just keep watching because you don't want to miss how you can monetize this type of channels and do this exact method and start making your own money from home using YouTube. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Wow Money. We post consistent content helping you guys make money online and become 100% financially free from home. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Also, if you want to make up to $500 a day, check our website wowmoney.net. It's in the description box. Now let's jump right into it and I will show you guys exactly how these channels are making money and more importantly, how you can do it too. So the niche I want to tell you about is the meditation niche. Yes, you can actually make money on YouTube by running a meditation channel. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So if we search meditation on YouTube, you can see a huge list of different meditation channels that pop up. Each having hundreds of thousands of subscribers, some even as much as millions of subscribers. So we know there's definitely an appeal in the market for this type of videos. Now if you are interested in seeing what type of videos that these people are making, we can actually check these example channels like Michael Seeley here. So taking a look at his channel right here, over 1 million subscribers. His most popular upload has 19 million views. Okay guys, a 42-minute video called Guided Meditation Detachment from Overthinking, and he made 19 million views on this simple video. And believe me, this type of videos are not even hard to make. I will show you guys how easy these videos are to make. So let me show you one of his recent uploads. And he made over 130,000 views in this video. As you can see, the background is simply a looping background of a stock footage. You can find these videos in places like pixabay.com, pixels.com, etc. There's tons of different marketplaces where you can find these videos for absolutely free. Okay, so you go to these different websites, you find these videos, you put them into your own meditation relaxation video, and then just like him, you add a voiceover on top of the videos. You're gonna be leading people through meditation. Now, like I said, if you know absolutely nothing about meditation, that is not a problem at all. Because I'm gonna show you how you can outsource the process. You will pay people to make these videos for you, which is actually super easy to do. I'm gonna show you how you can do that in just a second. But first, let's look at how much money this guy is making. And then we'll look at different ways we can monetize a channel like this. So taking a look here, just from ads alone, this Michael Seeley guy is making between $1 and $16,000 US every month from ads alone. Now obviously that's great, right? But I reckon he's actually making way more money using different monetization methods that I'm about to share with you right now. He makes all these types of videos and he doesn't even upload that often. He uploads like once or twice a month, that is all. So this isn't like something where you have to make a video every single day, although that would definitely give you way more chances for succeeding on YouTube. But in a niche like this, you don't need to post every single day. These are like 40 minutes videos and he's got a collection of meditation that people can go back and re-listen to them whenever they want. Are you guys starting to see the potential of running a YouTube channel in a niche like this? And plus, these thumbnails right here look so easy to make. You just put a stock photo in the background and add some text on top of it, and that is all. You guys can also make thumbnails like this. It's so easy. So this Michael Seeley guy is by far not the only person in the world making these kind of meditation videos and making a ton of money from it. Let's take a look at some more channels right here. Let's take a look at this channel, 321 Relaxation Meditation Relax Clips. I just want to show you guys that this channel only uploads 1 or twice a month. One of the biggest things that actually surprised me about this type of channels is the fact that they don't upload that frequently. Looking at this channel right here, it's just shocking to me that they can upload this infrequently and still get so many views and make so much money from their YouTube channels. So if you guys can upload more than once a month, you have an advantage and a competitive edge against these other channels. So looking at the Social Blade stats of this channel right here, as you guys can see, this channel makes between $2 and $31,000 every single month from ads only. Here's another channel doing pretty much the exact same thing, Power Thoughts Meditation Club. This channel is making between $1 and $18,000 a month. And the interesting thing about these channels, guys, that I want to point out is that these channels don't show their faces. Like I already showed you this Michael Seeley guy. He does not show his face on his videos. And this channel right here, 321 Relaxation Meditation Clips, doesn't even show their faces and they get over 1 million subscribers. The honest guys, here's another channel pretty much doing the exact same thing. These guys do show their faces. Here's another one which is pretty much one of the biggest meditation channels on YouTube. It's called Meditative Mind. Now this channel has over 3.4 million subscribers. And if we go to their Social Blade statistics right here, this channel is making between 4.5 and $72,000 every single month. Can you believe it? This is absolutely crazy. Now the reason this channel is growing fast and making this money is because of how frequently they're uploading compared to these other YouTube channels. This channel is uploading very frequently, as you can see, pretty much at least a video a week, sometimes even 2 or 3 videos a week. And a lot of their videos don't even have any talking in them. They literally just use stock footage in the background and then they put some meditation music and that is all. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually pay people to make this type of meditation music, or just better yet, pay people to make the entire meditation video for you. But before that, let me tell you how you can actually grow your YouTube channel. So our method consists of, first of all, getting views from search and then transitioning to suggested video traffic. And that's just how you absolutely blow up on YouTube. So basically, what you should do is find high search volume, low competitive keywords, and you rank for those keywords. You implement similar metadata, and then you transition the traffic from getting mostly search traffic to suggested video traffics. And also guys, I'm going to show you some of these alternative monetization methods that some of these channels are using to make way more money online. And then I'm going to show you how you can outsource the content creation yourself and pay other people to make these videos for you. This is a super easy method. So looking at this guy, Michael Seeley here, we went over this guy's channel. If we go over his latest video and click on it, you can see that in the description of the video, he has a link to something called DPD card. Now, if you don't know what DPD card is, it stands for Digital Product Card. And basically, it's like a place where you can sell digital products. You're probably asking, what is a digital product? Well, digital products are things like meditation online courses, master classes, meditation music, etc. that you can sell on your YouTube channel. Now, you don't have to use a DPD card. There's so many different ways you can sell meditation online. So you could even sell an online course on how to meditate. I mean, the options and the opportunities in this are absolutely endless. Once you understand how well these channels are doing, you can make absolutely 100% profit from them. The honest guys, they're selling meditation too. As you can see, they have the link to their store right here. Also, you can always use affiliate marketing too. Because I know a lot of you guys are like, I don't think I can make a course. I don't think I can make meditations. Well, you guys don't have to. You can just use affiliate products and you're good to go. Now, how can you outsource these type of channels? Well, you just hire a person to do it on Fiverr.com. So Fiverr is basically a marketplace for businesses. So basically, hire someone to make videos for you for just $5. And you post these videos on YouTube and that is all. You don't have to do anything else. You just pay someone $5 to make the meditation video for you. Literally no work at all. You don't do anything. You just post the video on YouTube. Now, what if you didn't want to pay someone to do a voiceover for your YouTube channel? Well, you could do it yourself. All you need is a smartphone. You can record your own voice reading the script, and that is all. You can do this yourself if you want, or just hire someone on Fiverr.com and start making money from it. And the beauty of this method is that everybody can benefit from it. Everybody can make a ton of money on YouTube creating this type of videos. I really hope this video helped you guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Wow Money. See you on the next video.